Let's see another problem from LeetCode. It's a reverse integer. It's a medium level problem, but logic is very simple. So we have given some integer 1 to 3 and output should be 3 to 1. So that's in a reverse way. So that's like we have to do that. So I think we have to, if you can use some math, then it will be very easy. If you convert this to a string and try to do that, try to reverse and again convert to this int, that may also work, but you have to play a little bit with this, the minus and this minus sign. We have to play with that, so we need to check those conditions. But I'm just going to do using some the math, and I think you might not know this easy problem, but let me explain this this first, and then after that we'll go. So the number is 1 to 3, like let's say the x is 1 to 3, and then we need to run a for loop until that number x turns to 0, and then from the x, like we need to find out the it's a remainder. So SR, I can say first 1 to 3 and divide by 10 and then get the remainder. So remainder will get 3 here, and then in the result somewhere we can define the result 0, and in this case we get the remainder 3, and also after getting the remainder, then we divide this number x, that's a 23, is 123, that's x 123 divide by 10, and then x will have value to 12. So that's one in iteration, one first step, like we do this, and then we also calculate the result. So result will be result into 10, result into 10 plus result into 10 plus remainder. So result is 0. So from the 0, if you multiply 10, then it's a 0 plus remainder. Remainder is here 3, so we'll get result 3. So if you notice now, we got the last number 3. Now we have to get like 2 1. So again, now with the number is x is 12, so 12 is not 0, then again from x, that's a 12, we'll divide by 10 and we'll get remainder, 2, and then again we divide by 10, then x value will be this 1. Now we'll calculate the result again. So result is equal to result into 10 plus r. So result is 3 into 10 30, and r is 2, so 32. So result is 32. So if you analyze here, now we get 32. Now we have to get 1. So again we can check, it is in a for loop, and x is not 0, then again we find x divide by 10, and will x is 1, so 1 divide by 10 will get remainder is 1, and then x divide by 10, in this case now x will get 0, so remainder 1. Now we want to find out the result. So result is equal to again result into 10 plus r. So result is 32, so 32 into 10 plus remainder is 1, so that is 320 plus 1, it's a 321. So in this way we can get the 321, the reverse, and that's the logic we are going to use this. So it's a very simple logic. You can go through once by yourself. Let me write the code. So it's for, I can check x not is equal to 0, and then first I can define a result is equal to 0, and then r is x divide by 10, that's the remainder, and then x value is x divided by 10, and then result will be result into 10 plus r, So in this way we'll get the result, and that's all. We can return the result. So let's run this. R is a new variable, so okay, that's got accepted. Case 2 for minus value also, and this also. Yeah, 0, if you reverse the number in a 2 1 in a 0 in the beginning doesn't make sense, and that's why it's a 2 1. And okay, let me submit this. Okay, so it's failing in some big number. So when you get some big number it will fail. So we can check the description, and in description there is a constraints here. If it is, so here it's a minus, if it is minus 2 to the power minus 23 2 to the power 23 minus 1, then return 0, and it's a 32-bit integer range. So in that case we can check that condition here, like if result is greater than math dot max int 32, or result less than math mean int 32, then in that case return 0. So run this and then submit. Okay, that got accepted, and that's a nice solution. Here we can see it's better than the string, the conversion. So that's all for now. Thank you.